Hi, my name's Carri. I'm one of the clinical psychologists at Cassidy Psychology, and today I'm going to be talking you through a calm breathing exercise. And this is something that is proven to be helpful in reducing feelings of anxiety and stress and increasing feelings of calm and relaxation. And I'm sure that all of you would agree that that would be something helpful for you to develop at times. So in this video, I'm going to begin by talking through a few points to keep in mind while we practice this exercise. Then I'm going to guide you through the steps involved in this particular exercise and give you the opportunity to practice it with me as I guide you through it for a few moments, so that by the time we get to the end of this video, you're going to know enough to be able to go away and practice this on your own. Okay, so to get started, I'd encourage you to just think about where you want to be while you're practicing this exercise. And if you're choosing to be seated somewhere, just to think about having an upright but a comfortable posture. Alternatively, you might want to consider laying down flat somewhere, which is a really relaxing way to practice this. So second, it can be really helpful to try and focus on breathing in and out through your nose, if that's a comfortable option for you. And thirdly, to think about aiming for a smooth flow with your inhalation and exhalation. So we're trying to aim for an even rate, an even path of your breath flowing in on your inhalation and flowing out on your exhalation. So not rushing your breath or having it be a bit jagged, okay? And the fourth thing to try and aim for today is breathing deep down into your belly. And this is something that's quite tricky for people sometimes when they're just getting started with this. And so to get you familiar with that feeling, I'm going to recommend that you put one hand on your chest and one down on your belly, and start to take some slow, smooth breaths in and out through your nose. And just pay attention to the movement of your hands. You might notice that they are being pushed up as you inhale and that they're falling back down with your exhalation. So when we're feeling anxious and stressed, you probably notice a lot of movement up here on your chest. That's because when we're feeling that way, it's typical that we breathe faster and more shallow. And we're aiming for the opposite today. So we're going to try and focus on sending our breath slow and deep down to your belly. So it can help by placing your hands on your belly, help you focus your tension there. To imagine sending your breath deep down to your belly. Or even to imagine that you're blowing up a balloon in your belly when you inhale. Okay, so with those few things in mind, let's move on and try the particular exercise. And the one I'm going to teach today is breathing in for a certain number of counts. So we're going to breathe in for 4, hold for 2, and then breathe out for 6. So I'm going to talk you through it now. I encourage you to pop your hands on your belly if that will help you to focus your attention there. And begin by taking a few smooth, slow and deep breaths in and out through your nose. And to gently close your eyes while you're doing this, if that feels comfortable for you. And off we go, and I'm going to count you through. So breathing in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and just taking a pause there. Okay, so well done if you gave that a go just now. So when you go away to practice that exercise, you might notice that it feels a bit uncomfortable for you when you get started. So it's really common that people might find that breathing out for 6 feels just a bit too long. It's completely okay to shorten that a little bit, maybe drop it down to 5 or 4 if you really need to. But that once you settle into it, to aim towards extending that to an exhalation for the count of 6. Breathing in that way helps to regulate your arousal system, to activate the relaxation system in your body. Also, to keep in mind that a really great time to start to practice this is when you're already feeling quite calm and relaxed, just to start to get your body used to doing that, so that when there's a time when you are feeling more stressed or more anxious, you've already had a bit of practice doing it in an easier situation. But by all means, give it a go when you're feeling stressed and anxious as well. But just be gentle with yourself and remind yourself that it takes a little bit of time to learn a new skill. But this is something that is effective, and with practice will help you to reduce feelings of anxiety and stress, and to help bring about feelings of calm and relaxation. So thank you for listening to this video today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to learn more, then feel free to give us a call at Cassidy Psychology, where we're always wanting to work with you to help you flourish and thrive. Good luck in your practice.